This week I'm testing the BMW i3S. It's a fully electric carbon fibre 4-seater car, and it's made with a lot of sustainably sourced natural materials. Let's find out how good it is as a baby drive. In the back of the BMW i3S there are only 2 seats. They both have Isofix within plastic guides and really nice and easy to connect to. And on the back of both those rear seats are top tether anchorages within plastic guides and nice and easy to connect to as well. Now, fitting the 2 child seats was really nice and easy. This big open doorway does make that really easy. And we found with a rear facing child seat we could get about a 172 centimetre passenger in front. Now these doors are a bit of a consideration. I thought they were going to make it really easy putting kids in and out of the back here, but the reality I've found is that the bottom of this door is extremely sharp and hard, and it bangs on your ankles and shins all the time. Also, getting kids in and out, especially in car parks, means you have to shuffle them into one of the spaces while you open the other door and shuffle them into the other space. Really not as practical as you think. With the limitations of a parking space, I have actually found this week I've had to sit her in the car on a seat, then drive out of a parking space and then be able to open the doors and then put her into the back. So really not as practical as I had hoped. Storage inside the BMW i3S is quite minimal. In the back there are 2 cup holders in the central seat base. They will hold a reusable and a disposable coffee cup, and a large refillable water bottle fit in there too. There's no door bins or mat pockets in the back, it's quite simple. In the front there are 2 cup holders in the central console here. They will hold a reusable and a disposable coffee cup, and a large refillable water bottle fit in there too. In front of them is a little elastic strap that you could store something in. Now there's a phone holder in the central console lid here, and it's also for cordless charging. Below that is a little console box area with your USB and 12-volt socket too. The glove box, it is quite a small size. I could only get my wallet in there, not the iPad. The door bins are nice and large in the front here, and I could get a large refillable water bottle and the iPad in there. Let's find out how much we can fit in the boot of the BMW i3S. Empty, it will hold 8 shopping bags. Or the Flex tandem stroller and 1 shopping bag without the parcel shelf. The single stroller fits with the wheels taken off. Or the Mountain Buggy Nano compact stroller and 4 shopping bags. Or a small dog. The i3S does have a frunk or front boot, and this was the right size to hold all the charging cables. The media system in the BMW i3S is easy to navigate with the rotary dial down in the central console. It does have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which is excellent. When I put it into reverse, the camera image is really lovely and crisp and clear, and you can mute the parking sensors with a button down in the central console. The i3 is made of carbon fibre, so it's super light, and being electric, it's really fun, fast and nippy to drive. The only problem I've found is visibility out of the back while manoeuvring and parking is really difficult, even with the great media screen. Charging the i3 has been really easy this week. Most of the time I've just done it in the evenings at home, or when I'm out doing my shopping, I just plug it in, and when I come back it's ready to go. So to sum up with the i3S, it is a fantastic little electric car that is so good for the planet and your children's future. Just maybe not that practical while they're young with the getting them in and out of the back.
Read the full reviews at BabyDrive.com.au.